This is the review for test 3, this problem number 11. So it says to solve these equations. So I noticed that the base here is a 4. Is there any way I can write 64 with a base of 4? Well, let's see. 4 times 4 is 16, and 16 times 4 is 64. So yes, I can. So I can rewrite this problem as 4 to the 3x power equals 4 to the 1, 2, third power. So now, once you've got your bases equal, notice my two bases are equal, a 4 and a 4. Once that happens, then you can ignore the bases, and your equation is that 3x must equal 3. Divide both sides by 3, and you get x equals 1, and that's the answer. All right, let's go to B. Is there any way that I can write 20 to a power of 4 with a base of 4? And the answer is I can't. 2 to the second power, third power, fourth power, fifth power is not going to give me 20. Nothing's going to give me a base of 4. 4 to the first power is 4. 4 to the second power is 8. 4 to the third power is 64. I think I said something wrong there, but that's okay. So when I can't use the trick I used in A, then I have to do something different. And what I'm going to do for this one is I'm going to log both sides. So when I log both sides, I get log 20 to the x power equals log of 4 to the x minus 3 power. Now, using my power rule, I can bring those exponents to the front. So I get x log of 20 equals, now x minus 3, I have to keep it together, it's quantity, x minus 3 log of 4. Okay, now I want to distribute that log of 4. So I get x log 20 equals x log 4 minus 3 log 4. All right, now I want to, anything that has an x on it, I want on the same side. So I'm going to subtract x log 4 from both sides. So I get x log 20 minus x log 4 equals negative 3 log 4. Now I'm going to factor out the x, so I get x times log 20 minus log 4 equals negative 3 log 4. Now I'm going to divide both sides by log 20 minus log 4, because those will reduce. And over here I'm going to have log 20 minus log 4. And I'm going to put that in parentheses because when you put it in a calculator, you want it to be in parentheses. Now pick up a calculator and type negative 3 log 4 divided by parentheses log 20 minus log 4, and you're going to get x equals approximately a negative 2.5811. Now, I want to warn you that my math lab is going to tell you what place to round it to. I went to 4 decimal places. It might tell you 3, it might tell you 2, it might tell you 1. You have to pay attention because it'll count you wrong if you don't round it properly.